Standard 8, subject Social Science, chapter number 6, Human Resources, part 2. In previous part, we have learned about the meaning of resources, human resources, quantitative and qualitative human resources, and meaning of census. We also learned about the total land area of our country and the rank of India stands according to area and population in the world. In today's part, we are going to learn about the growth of population in our country. It is said that after independence, the growth of population in our country is increased. The population of India has increased by 18.1 crore in decade between 2001 to 2011. In 10 years, we have increased by 18.1 crore. However, the population growth rate has gone down, which is noteworthy. Moreover, there has been increase in number of literate or educated citizens. That means in this 10 years, the education in people has been increased. The population of India in 2001 was 102.87 crore. Later, in 2011, it increased to 121.01 crore. This is the matter to worry about the central government because they have to give the facility to each and every person of the country. So it creates more investment as well as more labor work. Hence, various policies and schemes have been launched to bring the population growth rate under control. Government has increased many policies and schemes to control the population of our country. Therefore, the rate of population growth has gone down by 1.7%. Only 1.7% growth rate has gone down due to these schemes. This chart shows the population growth of our country from in previous century from 1901 to 2011. In 1901 there was 23.83, then 25.20, after 10 years 25.13, and it was increasing constantly till 2011. It reached to 121.01 crore. What are the reasons behind the population growth? The population increase is a natural phenomena, but there are various factors responsible for population growth. The first reason is immigrations. People from other countries are coming to our country for industrial work or business or education or for the settlement purpose. This increased the number of population. The second reason is lower the death rate in last 2 decades. After independence, the health facility of our country has also increased. Therefore, the death rate is decreased. Besides this, the rate of population growth rate was low as the infant and female mortality rate was high. In earlier times, people killed the infant or female at the time of born or before born so that the death rate was high. But after education and various schemes, this death rate has also gone down. The number of pregnant women dying due to unavailability of proper medical aid was high. Transportation and roads were not good, so people could not reach the medical center easily in times. This also creates high death rate. There was no control over disease like cholera, typhoid and plague. Due to this disease, people were died at that time. Famines were more frequent, scumbing many lives. Medical facilities were not as developed and accessible as now. Therefore, at that time, death rate was high. But now, it is all changed. Nutritious food is now easily available to the people. Communicable disease are under control. Communicable disease means the diseases which are spread through infections and virus are controlled. Medical treatment and vaccination programs has advanced and gives to the each and every citizen of our country. Immediate medical help, speedy transportation and communication are also easy available. Today, in an emergency situations, ambulance reached in 5 to 10 minutes and give the instant medical facility to the patient. Pre and post disaster management has also improved and people get affected are rehabilitated faster. Thus, the death rate has gone down. Due to higher education, people are giving equal importance to female and male. Therefore, female death rate has also gone down. Apart from above factors, the average life expectancy of human has increased due to good nutritious food and health facility. The average life of humans in 1920 was 40 or 41 years and now it is 63 or 64 years. Therefore, we can say that the quality of people living in our country has increased and the facilities is also increased in our country. Therefore, the population growth has increased, death rate has decreased, and it gives more resources to the country. As death rate has decreases, birth rate increase, and there are various factors for responsible for the increase in birth rate. First is illiteracy. Second, superstitions. Orthodox thinking, social customs where a male child is considered important. In India, male child is more important than female child. Therefore, people were trying to give more birth to the in wish of a male child. Child marriages, poverty, widow remarriages, negative attitude towards the idea of small family, etc., as are the prominent or important reason behind the increase of birth rate. Rising population cause administrative problem. For example, shortage of food, house, environment pollution, conservation, employment. The more the people, the more employment has to be given by the government. Therefore, it creates problem. Environment pollution is also increased due to population of the country. Traffic has been increased. People, as people increases, need of food should be increased, and to uh, due to this, shortage of food caused various problems. To deal with such problems, many policies and schemes and legal measures have been planned by the government. In order to control the birth rate, government has given many schemes and policies. As per the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, the appropriate marriageable age for male is 21 years and for female it is 18 years. Marriage before this age is crime. To stop child marriage, this law has been passed in 2006 by the government that a male child cannot marry before 21 and female cannot marry before 18. If they are going to marry, it becomes a crime and they can be punished by the government. To stop or to decrease the birth rate, government has planning many policies and schemes for it. This is the chart which shows the population between 1901 to 2011 and make necessary interpretation. Census years, population, change in population between census percentage change between census and annual growth rate in percentage. In 1911, comparing to 1901, 0.6% of population has increased. In 1921, death rate was increased and birth rate was low. Therefore, there was no annual growth rate in 1921. In 1931, 1.0% annual growth rate increased. In 41, 1.3%. In 51, 1.3%. Then in 1961, 2% of population has increased. In 1971, 81 and 91, 2.2%. Then in 2001, growth rate becomes 2%, that is 0.2% has decreased. In 2011, growth rate has decreased to 1.6%. So we can say that comparing last 3 decades, the population of birth rate or annual growth rate has decreased by 1.6%. In next part, we will learn about the density of population and factors affecting the density of population.